Today in Brain Logistics. Functions of supply chain management. Supply chain management is not a single activity. It is a set of coordinated functions that work together to move products efficiently through the supply chain. Planning. The first function is planning. Companies forecast demand, plan inventory levels, and decide how resources will be used. Good planning helps avoid shortages, excess inventory, and unnecessary costs. Sourcing. The second function is sourcing. This involves selecting suppliers, purchasing raw materials, and building strong relationships with partners. Reliable sourcing ensures continuity and quality across the supply chain. Manufacturing. Manufacturing transforms raw materials into finished products. Supply chain management coordinates production schedules, capacity, and quality to meet customer demand efficiently. Storage and inventory. Another key function is storage and inventory management. Warehouses hold products at the right locations and in the right quantities, balancing availability and cost. Transportation and distribution. Transportation moves goods between each stage of the supply chain. Efficient distribution ensures that products reach customers on time and at the lowest possible cost. In summary, supply chain management integrates planning, sourcing, manufacturing, storage, and transportation. When these functions work together, supply chains become faster, more reliable, and more competitive.